This morning we're out at the water hole down the power line to Mendenhall. It snowed in the mountains last night. And there's Jack waiting. And where's Clark? There he is right there. Waiting for me to start the four-wheeler. And there's Zoe eating a ground squirrel that they caught this morning. So what I wanted to do was to make a movie so Dr. Carroll could see how crazy Clark was. But I'm not sure I can do that. There he is, running around in the circles right now. Runs around in the circle like a wild man. There's Bailey. Okay, I put the bike in reverse. There he comes again. Even after he's ran 20 miles, that's what he's like. He's one crazy bugger. And there's Jack back there barking his head off. Like an idiot. Okay, Clark, you ready to go? Hey? You can't put it in reverse and hold the camera. I don't think. Okay. Anyway, you get the idea. He's a crazy, crazy, crazy man. That Clark. And that's what he does. Yep, that's our buddy Clark. Okay, so we figured out how to add more video. And so there he is, way up there running like a crazy man. If I was to stop, he'd come running back there.